ki paiba ka Jylla Meghalaya kilakan mau Burom ya ka Jingkhlad kandet u Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam President Burom kari India hangni hanong ba shillong men ha ka arpnyau tarek mentau benai ha Bethany Hospital ya kani ka jingle kan mau Burom kabala long house so tham auditorium kabala penya da ka sarkar Jylla men ha ka arphandai tarek unai tong ki paiba bakan thobru ya ki kinrem ki lindan ki nong hikai na IIM shillong ki he pulit ki samla puli bat ki wei hagani ka sngi shwa ban sedang ka jingelang kaladon ka jing sngap jar bashi minute kum ka dak ban pen paw ya ka jing susi ya ka jing do no ya uni ru kraw kari ubala nyau ya u ba ude u missile man kari India hagani ka sngi ki kinrem ki lindan ki he sarkar ki labo sintiru ya ka dursa jingkan mau jong Dr. Kalam na lor kani kaladon ga jing kren na ki babon kin thobru na ki samla puli halor ga jing em babha uni re khra kari India.
Thank you. We kindly take your seats.
It was a privilege, it was an honor, but it was also a sense of deep grief and a loss which cannot be explained. My first interaction with him was in October 2000 when I was receiving a project from his hand to set up a center of excellence in the area where I am working, while he was the chairman of TIFAC, and the project was of TIFAC. Subsequently, last 15 years, I had a chance to meet the people with whom he was working, and I saw the kind of team he had who were deeply involved in the development of this nation, primarily, initially, taking the technology dimension in mind.
Although I haven't had the privilege of meeting him personally, but through his book, which I read twice, The Wings of Fire, I came to know about him. And through news and his contribution to a better life so that we can survive better, I came to know about him. I have learned a few things from this great man, and I would like to convey to my dear student here. I've heard many a times when students feel that if they don't get what they want in life, they feel frustrated. But yesterday I was listening to the news when this great man appeared for an interview to get admission in one of the institutions here in the country in Dehradun. He's number 10 and only 9 were selected. This is the lesson for us, my dear student. We should not feel frustrated if we don't get what we want in the first instance, because definitely there will be a better thing for us, reserved for us, which we will be able to get. As a scientist, as a teacher, as a professor, and later on to become the President of India after being elected. One thing which strikes me is, here is a person that even if he ceased to be a president, he never fade away. He continued to let us feel his presence wherever he goes. What actually happened to all of us is that if we get defeated, we fade away. We just disappeared as politicians. But here is a man, in spite of the fact that he was not elected again, yet we continue to feel his presence till today, even when he is no more. It's a great loss to all of us. And I'm sure that the few examples which I have noted down, we'll be able to follow it and prove that we may not be like him. He's really a great soul, but at least we can start with a very simple life.